Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open a BBVA bank account. This is easy. The first thing we need to do is open our browser and then we need to find the BBVA bank of the country what we want to open. In this case, if we want to open a BBVA account in Mexico, we need to find BBVA Mexico like this. And then you're going to click this link right here, and if you want to open your account, you need to click this button right here in this section. And then you want if you want a simple account, you need to select this option right here. This only works if you are in Mexico. If you're in Mexico, you need to have some information to open your account. Also, if you are in Mexico, you can go to one agency to open your account. You need to find BBVA bank in your Google Maps, and then you're going to go here. Okay. It works also with other countries like Spain. Like this, you can find this this link right here to open a BBVA account in Spain, like this. As you can see, this page is in English and is more easy like this way. If we want to open an account, we need to click this button right here, become a custom, and then we can click this button again. As you can see, this page will load, and then right here we can select some options. In this case, we want an account for us. We're gonna click this option right here, and we're gonna click next. Like in this page, we need to select this option because we need all our data manually. And here, as you can see, is asking for some verification and other things. In this case, in Spain, we need to open our BBVA account in a BBVA branch. Okay, this really easy. We need to have our passport to do this. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.